Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. Let me quickly take Power BI desktop and I wanted to get some data, not some data. I wanted to get go to transform data and using a text file. Okay, using a text file, we were able to get April month data, right? Now, if you observe carefully, so let me open this, click on OK. So what is the data type here? Data type, what is the data type? So it is a date and time. If you don't get the proper data type, if you have the proper data type, you can go to add column, you will be able to get the month name, right? So month name, right? You are able to get a month name very, very easily. Let me delete this. Let me change this data type to some textual data. Okay. So if the data type is not so proper, I go and everything is disabled. Have you seen this? Somebody is asking, sir, it is not working for me because the data type is not so proper. If the data type, if you don't change it, so you will not be able to get anything. Always check what is the data type. Take, change it to a date and time. Now choose this, go to date and time and go to month. You will be able to get the name of the month. Okay. Na? So if you don't have the proper data type here, so assign the proper data type first. Clear? Then you should be able to select this, go there, and you will be able to get month name. So this is the issue that you're facing. Just try this once and it should work fine. Now, today we're talking about one more scenario. What is the scenario I'm talking about? So I have an Excel sheet, right? So I have an Excel sheet. So let me just go back and use folder with Excel many sheets. Okay. Excel with many sheets. I wanted to do some work with this. Okay. Let me go and show you some data. Where is the data available? I have the data available in this PC, C drive. I have some folder called Append Excel sheets. Let me double click on this. Let me open students 2020 data. I have April month data. I have May month data. I have a June month data. I have a July month data. Let me delete all this data first. Delete it. Let me delete this and let me save this file. I have April 2020 data and you can understand the column names, the data is different. When you go here, you will be able to get some more data as well. So let me save this file and I wanted to keep the file in a folder first. Okay. So I wanted to read all the data from where? From multiple Excel sheets. Let me just go there and new source. It is Excel workbook only. So where is the file? In the C drive. So I have to use this. So what I have to use, I have to click on the folder, not this. I have to click on the folder. So go to new source and folder. So click on connect. So where is the folder available? This PC and D drive, append Excel. So this is the folder from there. It is going to be reading the data. Clear? Simply, I wanted to transform data. So it is being loaded. It is being loaded. So you will be able to get, it is going to be reading the data from one sheet. So when I click on this, it is going to be reading the data from only one sheet, but I have multiple sheets, right? So then extra data also it is there. So name, extension, data accessed, data modified, lot of columns got created, data created, attribute, folder path, a lot of things are available. I don't need all of them. Simply use this and remove other columns. Okay, now When I click on this, it is able to give me one sheet data, but I have a multiple sheets. I have a multiple sheets. If you wanted to get the data from the multiple sheets, what I'm trying to do, I trying to go to add column, custom column. I wanted to write a formula. What is the formula? Excel workbook. So open the bracket. I am planning to use the content and close the bracket. So what is the meaning? I wanted to read the content from each and every Excel file. So this is a case sensitive language and click on OK. So you are going to be creating one more. So we have multiple sheets. Each sheet is a table. So you have to just go there, click on this. So how did I get this? Let me remove and let me repeat the steps. So when you click on this, you will be able to get only one sheet data, but I have two sheets here. If I want to get the two sheets data, not say direct way, you have to go to indirect way. Go to add column, custom column, and column name you can give. So you can write a formula called Excel workbook. So open the bracket and whatever be the content, whatever be the sheets that are available in your Excel file, all the files, all the sheets data will get included. This is a M language code. So everything is okay. You will be able to get it. So this will give you a single file. This will give you multiple sheets data. You have to click on this. So after getting this, the single file is not at all needed. You can remove this and click on this and all the data is going to be coming up. Okay. Now you're able to get April month data, May month data. You're able to get it. So one is April, one is May month data. Then all these columns are useless. I don't need all these columns. And if you want to have it, you can have those anything, or you can remove simply. All these things are not needed at all. So we have the data here, table means two sheets data. Click on this, all the data. So you don't have anything else. Click on OK. All the data from April month and May month got loaded. And we have column 1, column 2, column 3. Take this, row up. So how to take the row up? Go to home, go to use the first row. This is the first row as a header. So click on this. So your student ID, name, course, date of payment, month number, month name, everything is there. So close and apply. So as of now, we have only two sheets, but automatically all the sheets data got combined. All the sheets data got combined. Now I wanted to go, you will be able to get. So what is the total sales Append? Total sales is completely fee paid. Go to effects and shadow and everything. You can have one more month wise. What is the month wise? Month name is here. And what is the total fee paid? So that is also available there. So click on the format painter and apply. And go to data labels. Now you are able to get it. And if you wanted to have a slicer, you should be able to also, sorry, Control Z. No, not need. So we can have it there. So we can have a slicer. So what month data you wanted to have it? So you can have any month data. April month data, June month data. So you can have 2 months data. You can erase this. You can remove this. So these are the two things I have created. Okay. Now I go and I wanted to create some more data. Let me take X. Let me create and give this. So let me give 21, 22, and 23. Let me give your names. So many people have lot of names, right? So Excel with many sheets. So I give Hemant. So Akki Hemant is there, right? So we'll give his name and joined Power BI, and this will be doing it for month of June. Okay, so June he paid some $1,000 or $100, whatever it is. Now the next month I'll say Aparna. Aparna joined for Java course, and month of June 14th she joined, and she paid, let us say, some $3,000 or $300. Clear? Let me have Baleshwar. He joined for MSBA course month of June only. Let me have June month. He paid some $900. Like that, I can have one more month data. You can also rename if you want to. Otherwise, leave the sheet name as it is. So like I have got, this is June 2020 sales data. You can give the name or you can just leave it. Let me close this and go back. I wanted to simply refresh. When I'm refreshing, I'm able to get June month data. Have you seen this? So like that, you should be able to get any month automatically without including anywhere. Tomorrow, one more sheet may come. Simply you have to copy and paste. Simply you have to copy and paste. You can say July 2020. This naming convention also not needed. You can simply say ABC also fine. Let me check that as well. I put some A file and I put some James Bond or Jane and Power BI July data, and you say July and 1200, and Aparna for Java July, and she paid, let us say, this much, and close this sheet. Let me just go back and refresh it. Okay, you will be able to get July, June, April, May. If you need all months, you can remove this, or you can use control button to verify all months data. If you wanted to remove tomorrow one file, you should be able to go and remove this data. So I wanted to remove this data. Whatever you wanted to remove, modify, you can remove, save the file and close it. Let me simply go and refresh it. Okay. So let me simply go there and refresh it. Okay. So everything got refreshed. You have now April and May month data only. If you wanted to read the data from multiple sheets, and this is the one, you should be able to use it. And only the difficult part is you need to write some M language code. What is that M language? So this is the one, excel.workbook content. Where it is available, go to add column, go to custom column. Step number 3, you write this formula so that this we can use it. Okay. So the next concept is that union and union all. So already we discussed, right, what is a union and what is union all. So let me tell you once again. If you have a 1, 2, 3, right? If you have 4, 3, 5, set A and set B. Clear? So what union is going to be doing, what union all is going to be doing? Union will get the data. So 1, 2, 3, right? Then it is going to be sorting the data. So sorting the data, then you will get 3, 4, 5. It is going to be having. So after sorting, everything got sorted. Now it is going to be removing the duplicate. This is what is called union. I told you. So sorting is one operation, removing the duplicate. But union all, where you will get 1, 2, 3, and you will get a 4, 3, 5. Data will not be there in the sorting manner, and the duplicates are available. It is not worried. So union all is not going to sort the data. Union all, it is not going to remove the duplicates as well. Clear? So that is the difference between union and union all operations. Let me give you one. All right, so let me go and work with this. So go to home. I wanted to go to transform data. Now enter the data. I don't have any ready-made data. I would like to enter. So 1, 2, double click on this 3 and the table A. Click on OK. I'm able to create a table called table A, and in that you have 1, 2, 3 data. Now you let me enter the data and let me give 4, let me give 3, let me give 5. Okay, it is a table B. So I have created two tables, table A and a table B, right? So I wanted to append queries as new. Now how to append? Table A data append with the table B data. So appending is union or union all, you will come to know. Click on OK. Now you will be able to get this A union all B. How? Now you see, you will be able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. So it is not sorted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5 not sorted, and you have the duplicate. So when you do appending operation, it is union all because duplicates are there, everything. But I wanted to perform one more operation. Let me go here, append queries as new. Let me say table A and a table B and click on OK. By default, you will be able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. But I wanted to go and remove duplicates. I have to perform one more step. So click on this. So removings are duplicated. Now everything is got arranged in the proper order. So this is what is called A union B. Ardhamautunda. So A union B, you need to perform one more step, removing the duplicates. While removing the duplicates, so it is going to do a sorting also, sorting the data and removing the duplicates internally. So that is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the data is not sorted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, something like that. It can have it. Clear? So that is what is the difference between A union all B, A union B. Union means you need to perform one more operation here. So that is what is called a union versus union all, which is faster. So union all is faster. No sorting. Sorting is going to be happening. Because of that only, it is slow. Compulsory interview question. What is the difference between union and union all? So these are the appending queries and everything, guys. Now,